know yet. Because like they didn't tell us yet.
They didn't tell anything.
Yes, yeah, they didn't. You have to wait. You have to wait.
Is it fun doing that or is it hard?
It's fun, it's easy.
I feel great.
Very fun and very exciting to learn this, how to makeบัวลอย, because I have eaten a lot but I actually never make one before, so this is very interesting.
Do you want more?
I will take more.
Good morning everyone, so welcome to St. John Mary International School. So it is raining outside and today is the first day of the Thai language and culture camp. So let's go inside and see what's happening. So this is the first dessert that we're doing, which is look shook. This is a dessert made out of beans and nuts. So now they are waiting for the ingredients and procedure of how to do the snack. Teachers will be participating also in the doing process. Okay, so let's ask about how to do the dessert. ฝากข้อหน่อยนะคะจะถามว่าอันนี้ทำยังไงอะคะเมื่อกี้หนึ่งนะคะถั่วเขียวเราต้มน้ำให้เดือดแบบนี้นะคะต้มน้ำเดือดแล้วเราก็ใส่ที่ใส่ The mung bean is it needs to be boiled first and then steam later and then they will stir it again in a pan to let it dry up. But they can't put that much of coconut milk inside or else the food would not be yummy.
Place in your hand and
So now this is the first group doing the look shoot and then we're going to the other side to the boloi samsi. Small balls inside the coconut milk, which tastes really good and it is my favorite. Let's go inside and see what's happening. So this is how the boloi samsi looks like. There's three colors, which is yellow, green, and blue. And คุณทำจากอะไรอะแป้งข้าวเหนียว These are made of powders and the powders that is used for dessert only. And then these are the other ingredients used in doing boloi samsi. You can see that this is the coconut milk. So today in this room I'm going to be interviewing some students about how are they doing right now.
I don't even know yet. Because like they didn't tell us yet.
They didn't tell anything.
Yes, yeah, they didn't. You have to wait. You have to wait.
Is it fun doing that or is it hard?
It's fun, it's easy.
I feel great.
It's quite hard for me because I don't know how to do it.
เวลาเราลงน้ำมันจะไม่พองตัว ถ้าเราปั้นให้มันอย่างเงี้ยค่ะ เวลาถ้าเราจะปั้นง่ายๆใช่ไหมคะเราจะ
She's saying that don't do too small. Now we're going to ask her about how to do these boloi samsi. วิธีทำยังไง
ที่
อะ
ทำต้มน้ำให้เดือดนะคะ แล้วเราก็เอาบัวลอยที่เราปั้นเสร็จแล้วทุกที่เราต้มเสร็จแล้วอะมาใส่กับน้ำเชื่อมที่เราเคี่ยวไว้ก็รับประทานได้
บัวลอยนี่ทำยากไหม
ไม่ยากค่ะ มันขึ้นที่การที่เราเรียนรู้เข้าใจ
แล้วน้ำกะทินี่คือใช้ยังไง
ในกะทิกล่องจะสะดวกบางทีอยู่ต่างจังหวัดมันไม่มีมะพร้าวไม่มีอะไรเงี้ยนี่คือกะทิกล่องสะดวกที่สุด
This is how boloi samsi actually look like after it is done. For the first, it would be sweet, but in the end, it would be tasty. It is delicious, like there's every taste inside, except spicy and sour. It is mostly around 20 baht to 25 baht, but in 25 baht is like additional of egg as a topping, but in here they're just like doing boloi samsi, not the egg. Can you describe the taste?
It's creamy. No, actually, it reminds us of a dish in our country. It is similar, although how do you call this? This flour thing here has flavor and various flavors. For us, it's just plain, so it gives a different experience. So it's good.
For the taste, they taste the same, but for the ingredients, I'm looking for jackfruit and banana.
It's very good. This is one of my favorite dessert, Thai dessert, and I like it very much.
Thank you.
It was harder than I expected it to be. It seemed easy when the instructor did it, but when you actually do it, it's harder than you think.
It's wonderful. I like it. I enjoy it.
Have you ever tried this?
No, it's my first time. It's my first time.
Oh, it's so fun. It's easy. It seems easy, but it's not really easy.
Yeah, I actually enjoyed making this. This is my first time to do this stuff. It's fun.
How do you feel doing this back home? Is it hard?
Not very hard, but you need to like
Proof นะคะ
It's my art piece.
Have you ever tried doing this before?
That's the first time. This is it's good. This is tastes nice as well. Or banana, up to you. This is the osaka, and this is the other thing. Or you can say it's green chili, or banana, or mango. Green bean. Or green bean, yes, green bean too.